Okay, today we will be starting with a new chapter, chapter number 12, areas related to circles. So first we will start with the area of a circle. What do you mean by an area? Suppose this is a circle. The inner portion of the circle, this is what you call as the area. Therefore, area of a circle equal to, we know area of a circle is pi r square. So if area of a full circle is pi r square, what will be the area of a semicircle? Semicircle means half of the circle. So it will be the half of pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. So area of a semicircle will be half of that. That is pi r square by 2. Okay, so here pi r square, r means the radius of the circle. See, radius will be from the middle of the circle till here. And what will be this full area? I mean this full portion. Half of that is radius. So this full line will be the diameter of the circle. Therefore, we know that diameter is 2 times r, 2 times radius. Or you can say radius is the half of diameter. So from this we can write radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Half of the diameter, or you can write diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, so that's all about the area of a circle. Now comes to the perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle. Next one, perimeter or circumference of a circle. So we know that area means the inner portion of a circle. So what will be the perimeter or the circumference? It is the length of this outermost region. Length of this. See, suppose a boy is standing over here and he is walking through this region like this. So when he completes one round and reaches back to his initial position, so at that particular time the distance covered by that boy is what you call as the circumference of the circle. That means the length of the outermost region. Inner part you call as the area of the circle. The outer length of this region is what you call as the circumference of the circle. Okay, right? Circumference of a circle is given by circumference equal to perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Area is pi r square. Perimeter is 2 pi r. So what will be circumference of a semicircle? Circumference of a full circle is 2 pi r. So circumference of a semicircle will be half of 2 pi r. Circumference of semicircle equal to 2 pi r divided by 2. So you can cut these two on the numerator side and 2 on the denominator side. So what is remaining? Only pi r. That means circumference of a full circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of a semicircle is just pi r. Okay, now we'll see what is the value of pi. Value of pi equal to, in fractional form, pi is equal to 22 by 7, or you can write it in decimal form as 3.14. You can use either 22 by 7 or 3.14. So these are the two values of pi. Okay, now come to your example number 1. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. The field is to be plowed at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing the field. See, they have told us to take pi value equal to 22 by 7. So in the question they have given us the information that the cost of fencing a circular field is 5280, taking 24 rupees per meter. What we need to find is cost of plowing the field, given that rate of plowing is 0.50 rupees per meter square. See, they told cost of fencing. Fencing means what? It is actually the barrier made of wires or boards. You can see on the fields some barrier is made like a boundary line. So this is what you call as fencing. So what will you take? Circumference, because it is along the circumference of the circle. It's not touching the area. So we'll take the circumference formula. In the question they have given cost of fencing. Total cost is 5280. And also they have told it's 24 rupees per meter. So when we divide the 5280 by 24, we'll get the total length of the field. Length of the fence. Right? Total cost is 5280. Each meter cost 24 rupees. So 5280 divided by 24. I'll get the total length of this fence. Total length of the fence means what? Circumference. It is along the circumference of the circle. So if once we get the total length of the fence, that means that is the circumference of the circle. So you can write So write the first one, length of the fence. Length of the fence means you can write in a bracket circumference equal to total cost divided by rate per meter. So what is the total cost? 5280 divided by cost per meter is 24. So 5280 divided by 24 will be 220. Unit is meter. So now we got the length of the fence is 220 meter. We know length is what? Circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle, we know the formula 2 pi r. So I can write 2 pi r equal to 220. Circumference equal to 220. So I can write 2 pi r equal to 220. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Now here I am substituting the value of pi. 2 into pi is what? 22 by 7 into, we don't know what is the radius. So keep it like that, r equal to 220. Now we'll find the value of radius r. See, 2 into 22, 44. That means 44 by 7 into r equal to 220. Now I'm going to take this 44 by 7 to the other side. So as we know, when you take anything to the other side, the sign will reverse. And also you can see here it is division. 7 is divided by 7. So when you take 7 to the other side, it will be multiplied by 7. 44 is on the numerator side. So when you take 44 to the other side, it will be on the denominator side. Everything opposite. So I'm going to take 44 by 7 to the other side. So in the next step, it will be R equal to 220 by 7 will be into 7 divided by 44 will be, numerator 44 will be denominator 44. So when we simplify this, 220 into 7 by 44, you will get the radius as 35 meters. Now you got the value of R. Now again come to the question. See, read the second line. The field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter. What do you mean by plowing the field? See, I told you fencing is done on the circumference of the field. That means circumference of the circular field. Where plowing is done? Plowing means it is the process of loosening or turning the soil. So it will be done here. Inside the field, right? Plowing will be done inside the field. That means we should take the area of the circle. Okay, so since fencing is done on the circumference side, we have taken the circumference of the circle formula. Now plowing is done inside the field, that means area portion, so we'll take the formula of area. Okay, so here question is, field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. So to apply all those things, we need to first know what is the area of the field. Okay, so we'll find the area of the field first. Right, area of the field equal to, area of the circle is pi r square. Then put the values. Pi equal to 22 by 7. What is r? We just now got what is r. See, 35 meter. So r square will be 35 into 35. Solve this. 7 5s are 35. 22 into 5, 110 into 35, which is equal to 3850 meter square. Since this is area, you need to put meter square. Value of area is what? Meter square. Unit is meter here. So it will be meter square. Now come to the question. We found the area of the field. But what we need to find is, see here. The field is to be plowed at a rate of 0.50 per meter square. We have 3850 meter square. Per meter cost is 0.50. So we have 3850. It will be 3850 into 0.50 meter square. So right, next step, cost of plowing. Per meter square means per 1 meter is given in the question as 0.50 rupees. So altogether we have 3850 meter square. So the next step will be cost of plowing 3850 meter square equal to, multiply 0.50 into 3850. This will be our answer, 1925. What is the unit? Since this is the cost, unit will be in rupees. Cost of plowing 1 meter square is 0.50, which is given in the question. We have 3850 meter square overall. Area is 3850. So cost of plowing 3850 meter square will be, multiply cost per meter square into the total area. So I'll get the cost, total cost. This is the answer. I'll show it from the first. This is the starting of the answer. First we found the circumference. Then we put the formula of circumference 2 pi r. Then we got 2 pi r equal to 220. Then we substitute the value of pi. Then found the value of r. We got r is equal to, radius of the field is equal to 35 meter. After that we found the area of the field. Area equal to pi r square. So we have substitute the value of pi r. Then we got the total area of the field. Finally, we multiplied it with the cost per meter square, that is 0.50. We got the answer as 1925 rupees. Okay, now we'll move to exercise 12.1. Question number 1. So you can see here, unless stated otherwise, use pi equal to 22/7. So if it is given in the question, take pi equal to 3.14, take 3.14. Otherwise, in all the question, you need to take pi equal to 22/7. So question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. That means, in the question they have given us, there is two small circles. The radius of two circles are given in the question as 19 centimeter and 9 centimeters. There is another circle, third circle here, such that circumference of this third circle is the sum of circumference of this first two circles. So you need to find the radius of this third circle. That is the question. Circumference is the sum of the first two circumference of the circle, such that you need to find the radius of the third circle. Exercise 12.1. Question number 1. So first you write, let the radius of first circle be equal to r1. Same way, let the radius of second circle equal to r2. Radius of third circle equal to r3. So we have taken the radius of first, second, third circle as r1, r2 and r3. Now as per the question, they will write the circumference of the three circles. See, circumference of first circle will be, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So first circle radius is r1, so it will be 2 pi r1. Same way, circumference of the second circle will be 2 pi r2. Circumference of the third circle will be 2 pi r3. Okay. Now look at the question. Circumference. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of two circles. Which means, the circumference of the third circle, see this circumference 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. The circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle is equal to circumference of the third circle, such that we need to find the radius of the third circle. So below that write, as per the question, two pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, first circle plus second circle is equal to 2 pi r3. Okay, now we'll solve this one. 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So from first term and the second term, you have 2 pi is common. So I'm going to take out 2 pi. Taking out common 2 pi. See, in the next step I have taken out 2 pi outside. So what will be there inside the bracket? See, from here I have taken 2 pi. So r1 is remaining. Plus here also I have taken 2 pi out. What is remaining? R2. This is how you will take 2 pi outside. 2 pi, open the bracket, r1 plus r2 equal to, write 2 pi r3. Now substitute the values of r1 and r2. Oh, we didn't write here. If you want, you can write below this, write r1 equal to what was given in the question, 19 centimeter, r2 equal to 9 centimeter. This is already given in the question. So now we'll substitute that values of r1 and r2 here. Now 2 pi, open the bracket, r1 is 19 plus r2 is 9 equal to 2 pi r3. Now what is 19 plus 9? 28. So it will be 2 pi into 28 equal to 2 pi into r3. See, 2 pi and 2 pi on the opposite sides. You can cut 2 pi and 2 pi. Why, I'll tell you. So whenever you take this 2 pi to this side, this is multiplied by 2 pi. So whenever you take the 2 pi to the other side, it will be divided by 2 pi. So anyways, we can cut 2 pi 2 pi. Or if you are taking this 2 pi to the other side, see, instead of taking that, if you are taking this 2 pi to this side, again, this is multiplication. So here it will be divided by 2 pi. It will get cancelled. Anyways, that 2 pi will get cancelled. So if you want, you can write in this step, or you can cancel like this. See, here it is multiplication, here also multiplication. 2 pi and 2 pi are on the opposite sides. So you can cut both the 2 pi's. From here. Now what is remaining? R3 equal to 28. See, we got R3 equal to 28. R3 means radius of the third circle. That's what we need to find here. See the question. Find the radius of the circle. So you write, therefore, radius of third circle equal to 28 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit. So first we have taken the radius of the circles as r1, r2, r3. r1 and r2 are given in the question, 19 and 9 centimeters. Then we have written the circumference of three circles. We know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So circumference of circle 1 will be 2 pi r1, 2 pi r2, circle 3 will be 2 pi r3. Now as per the question, circumference of sum of circumference of first two circles are circumference of the third circle. So you can write 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal to 2 pi r3. By solving this, okay, after that I have taken out 2 pi outside. So it will be 2 pi into r1 plus r2 equal to 2 pi r3. Then I have substituted the value of r1 and r2. So we will be getting 2 pi into 28 equal to 2 pi r3. After that I cancel 2 pi on the both sides. What is remaining? r3 equal to 28. Therefore, radius of the third circle is equal to 28 centimeters. Now, second question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. This is actually similar to the first question. Only difference is they have changed the radius. Earlier it was 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Here it is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And also in the first question it was circumference. Here it is the area. See. Other everything is same. In the first question it was circumference is equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. In this question it is area is equal to the sum of area of two circles. In the same, you can start in the same way. Question number 2. You write in the same way. Let the radius of first circle equal to r1. Same way, write everything. Radius of second circle r2. Radius of third circle r3. Write in the same way. After this, so you write let the radius of first circle r1, second circle r2, third circle is r3. After that, you write the values of r1 and r2. As per the question, r1 is what? 8 centimeter. R2 is 6 centimeters. After this, write the areas of 3 circles. Earlier we have written the circumference of 3 circles. Now we will write the area of 3 circles. First write area of first circle equal to, what was the area of the circle? Pi r square. So here it will be pi r1 square. Next, area of the second circle equal to pi r2 square. Area of the third circle equal to pi r3 square. So these are the 3 areas. Now as per the question, same way. They told area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2 is equal to area of circle 3. Now write, as per the question, pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to pi r3 square. See here, pi and pi are common, so I can take pi outside. Taking pi outside, pi into, open the bracket, see from here I have taken the pi, what is remaining? R1 square, plus from here also I have taken the pi outside, remaining is R2 square. So it will be pi into R1 square plus R2 square equal to pi R3 square. Now you see, substitute the value of R1 and R2. It will be pi into, what was R1? 8 centimeter. So it will be 8 square plus R2 is 6 centimeter. So R2 square will be 6 square equal to pi R3 square. Now simplify this. Pi into 8 square is 8 8s are 64 plus 6 square, 6 6 are 36 equal to pi R3 square. 64 plus 36, 100. So it will be pi into 100 equal to pi into R3 square. Now we can cancel pi and pi on the other side, I mean opposite side. Because whenever you take pi to this side, it will be divided by pi, so you can cut. So I am going to cancel pi and pi on the both sides. What is remaining? R3 square is equal to 100. Only this and this is remaining. So R3 square is equal to 100. We don't want R3 square. They are asking only R3. What is the radius? So we need to cancel that square. I told you, whenever we cancel the square, we need to put a root on the other side. So I am cancelling the square. That means R3 is equal to root of 100. What is root of 100? 10. 10 centimeter. So we got the radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Actually, question number 1 and 2 are similar one. Only thing is, first question is circumference. Second question is area based. So start in the same way. Let the radius of the first circle be R1, R2, R3. Second circle R2. Third circle R3. After that, write the values of R1 and R2. 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Below that, write area of first circle pi R1 square. Second circle pi R2 square. Third circle pi R3 square. Then as per the question, we know pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is equal to pi R3 square. After that, I have taken the pi outside. So it will be pi into R1 plus R2. Sorry, R1 square plus R2 square is equal to pi R3 square. Finally, we substituted the value of R1 and R2. We cancelled pi both the sides. Then we got R3 square is equal to 100. Then we removed the square. So R3 is equal to root of 100, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius of the third circle is equal to 10 centimeter. Now coming to the third question. Figure 12.3, you can see the figure 12.3, depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So you can see in the figure First is gold, then comes red, blue, black and white. In the question they have given the diameter of gold only. Okay, diameter of the gold is given in the question as 21. We know whenever we get the diameter, we can find the radius, because radius is the half of diameter. If diameter is 21, radius will be 21 by 2. So we got the radius of gold. Then what else is given in the question? Width of each score is what? 10.5 centimeters. That means from here, width of red is, it's not the radius, okay, width of the red is 10.5. Same way width of blue is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 each. Note that this 10.5 is not the radius. It's just the width from the preceding score. That means width of blue will be from red to this one. Same way width. Now we'll come to the answer. First we'll find the area of gold region. Right? Area of gold region as the side heading. So given in the question, diameter is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to what? 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Or keep it as 21 by 2 itself. 21 by 2. Now substitute this radius value to the area formula. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. So it will be pi r square. Substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 into r is radius is 21 by 2. R square will be again 21 by 2. See, 2 into 11, 7 into 3, 11 into 3, 33 into 21 by 2 will be 346.5 centimeter square. This is the first answer. Area of the gold region is 346.5 centimeter square. Because the value of diameter is given in the question, we got the radius. We substituted the value of radius in the area formula. So we got the answer as 346.5 centimeter square. Now coming to the red region. After gold it is red. This is one main answer. Now come to the red. See, the figure is like this. Here you have gold. After that you have red. In the question they have given diameter of the gold is 21. So we know radius will be what? 21 by 2. What is 21 by 2? 10.5. So I am writing here 10.5 as the radius of gold. Again, what information is given in the question? See, read the last line. Not the last line, second last line. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter. See, each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. That means from here to here it is 10.5 again. Each of the width. So from here to here is 10.5. Now you see only the big circle. See this circle. From the middle to this portion is, this is the radius of the big circle, right? From the middle to this portion will be the radius of that full circle. Therefore, we know that this full circle. Okay. So from here to here is 10.5 plus again 10.5 is the radius of that full circle. So we know that the area of red region, it's just not the area of red region. See, it is including gold also. Whenever you take the area of this full circle is including what? See, inside gold region is there inside this full circle. That means when you find the area of this region, it is included of gold region. Finally, we need to subtract that gold region from the area. So first we'll find the area of this big circle. Okay, by taking the radius as, what will be the radius of that full circle? Is it 10.5? No, it's not 10.5. Radius will be radius of gold plus radius of width of red. Then only you'll get the full radius. That means 10.5 plus 10.5. Then we'll substitute that in the formula of area and we'll find the area of this full circle. So that's what we're gonna do now. So right, next side heading will be area of red region including, what is including? Gold region. Inside red region you can see gold also, so including gold region. This is the side heading. And write radius. How to find the radius? Radius equal to radius of gold plus, see, radius of gold is 10.5 plus what? Width of the red. Width of red. Below that, right, what was the radius of the gold? 21 by 2 plus width of the red. Width is given in the question as 10.5. So in the next step you can write, instead of 21 by 2, you can write 10.5. 21 by 2 is 10.5. So 10.5 plus 10.5 equal to 21. That means radius equal to 21 centimeter. Now substitute in the area formula. Find the area. Area equal to pi r square equal to, pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? See here, 21. So radius square will be 21 into 21. Solve this. 7 3s are 21. 22 into 3, 66 into 21. 1386 centimeter square. This is not the area of the red region. Note that this is not the area of the red region. This is the area of the red region including gold region. Now we need to find the area of red only. How to find the area of red only? See the figure now. Now we found the area of this full region. That is what given here. See, 1386. This is what we found now. The area of full region. Now to find the area of only this part. See, only the red part. You need to subtract this gold region from the full area. Then you will get the area of red region only. So write area of red region only equal to area of, what we found now? Area of red including gold. That means area of red plus gold minus what we need to subtract? Inner part. What is the inner part? Area of the gold. Area of gold. Then give the values. What is the area of red plus gold? See here, just now we found 1386 minus area of the gold. Look back, what was the area of the gold? See here, area of the gold is 346.5 centimeter square. So right here 346.5. Do this, subtract 346.5 from 1386. You will be getting 1039.5 centimeter square. Actually this is the answer of area of the red region. Same way you need to find the area of blue, black and white. Now this next one, next side heading, area of black region. Oh, before that I'll show you how it is. See, inside it is gold. After that comes red. Then comes blue. Not black, right? It's blue. So inside it is gold. Then red. Then comes blue. We found what is the area of gold and red. Now we need to know what is the radius of the blue. Radius of everything. See, this radius is 10.5. This width is 10.5. Again, this width is 10.5. So what will be the radius? Full radius of this big circle? 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, right? So first, same way. First we'll find the radius of this full circle by taking the radius as 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. After that, the same way we'll subtract this portion. See, when we subtract this portion from the big circle, we'll get this area, blue, right? So first we'll find the area of that full circle And after that we'll subtract this area of red and gold, so that we'll get the area of blue only. Okay, so write area of blue region including what? Red and gold. This is the next side heading. Below that write radius equal to, what is the radius? Radius of gold plus width of red plus width of what? Blue. Then write what is the radius of gold? 10.5. 21 by 2, 10.5 plus width of red 10.5 plus again width of blue 10.5. So 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 is 31.5. So this is the radius you need to take while calculating the area. Now calculate the area. Area is equal to pi r square. Substitute pi equal to 22 by 7 into r is what? 31.5 square 31.5. Now simplify this. You'll be getting 22 by 7 into 31.5 into 31.5 is 3108.5 centimeter square. Now this area is what? Area of blue region including red and gold. But we need area of blue region only. So below that you write area of blue region only equal to, what is it? Area of the blue including red and gold minus, see, area of blue plus red plus gold minus what? We need to minus red and gold from here, this. So minus area of red and gold. See, what is the area of blue, red and gold? This one, 311.8.5. So 311.8.5 minus, what is the area of red including blue? Go back. See, this area is only red. We need area of red including gold. See the side heading. Area of red region including gold is 1386. So subtract that. Don't take this value 1039. This is area of red region only. We need area of red including gold. That is 1386 minus 1386. So 311.8.5 minus 1386 is 1732.5 centimeter square. This is the main answer for area of the blue region only. Same way, next one, area of the black region. Do the same thing again. See, here it is gold, red, blue, black. This radius is, so this radius is 10.5. This width is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. So the radius of this full big circle is what? 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. 4 times 10.5. So write the next heading, area of black region including what all things are there inside black? Blue, red, gold. Next heading. Then write the radius. Radius is equal to radius of gold plus width of red plus width of blue plus width of black. Below that, then write equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus equal to 42. So we got radius is equal to 42. Now substitute in area formula. Area equal to pi r square equal to 22 by 7 into r is 42. So r square will be 42 into 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now 22 into 6 into 42. So 22 into 6 into 42 is 5544 centimeter square. Now we got the area of black region including blue, red and gold. But we need area of black only. How to find area of black only? See the diagram. See, this is the black region. We only need this region, black. So we'll subtract this region from the black. That means area of black only is equal to area of black including gold, red and blue minus area of gold, red and blue. So right below, area of black region only equal to area of black plus blue plus gold plus red minus area of blue, gold and red. This is blue. Area of black plus blue plus green plus red, gold plus red minus area of blue, gold and red. So what is the area of black, blue? So what is the area of black, blue, green and red? 5544. Just now we got the area. Minus area of blue, gold and red. See what is the area of blue, gold and red? Not this one. Area of blue, gold and red will be this. 3118.5. So subtract that. Minus 3118.5. Answer is 2425.5 centimeter square. Now this is the main answer. Area of black region only. 2425.5. Now one more is there. Area of the white region. Do the same way. See. Gold, red, blue, black and finally white. So what is the radius of this full circle? 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, again 10.5, again 10.5. So this full radius will be sum of all the width plus the radius of the gold. Then only we will find the radius of the full circle. So the last heading is area of white region including what all things are there in white region? All the other regions including black, then blue, red, gold. This is the last side heading. After that write the radius. Radius is equal to radius of gold plus width of red plus width of blue plus width of black, finally plus width of white equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. 5 times 10.5 equal to 10.5 into 5, 52.5. So we got the radius. Now find the area. Area equal to pi r square equal to 22 by 7 into r is 52.5 into 52.5. Solve this. 22 by 7 into 52.5 whole square, which is equal to 8662.5 centimeter square. Now we got the area of the white region including red, blue, gold and black. But we need only area of the white. So below that write area of white region only equal to area of white plus black plus blue plus red plus gold minus area of blue, black, red, gold. So area of white, blue, black, red, gold is what? 8000. Just now we got 8662.5 minus, see the last area, not this one, this 5544. Area of the black, blue, white and gold. Area of black, blue, white, red and gold. So 5544. (8,662.5) minus 5,544 is equal to 3,118.5 centimeter square. This is the main answer. Area of the white region only. So we can see from the first, see area of the gold region we got as 346.5. After that, area of the red region we got as 1039.5. Then area of blue region is 1732.5 centimeter square. Area of black region 2425.5 centimeter square. And finally, area of white region is equal to 3,118.5 centimeter square. These are the main answers. Now coming to the fourth question. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So in the question they have given the diameter of the wheel. So we can find the radius, diameter divided by 2, that is 80 divided by 2, 40 is the radius of the wheel. Now what we need to find is, if the speed of the car is 66 km per hour, how many revolutions does this wheel make in 10 minutes? How many times the wheel will rotate? How many revolutions the wheel will make in 10 minutes if the speed of the car is 66 km per hour? So question number 4. Write the given informations first. What is given? Diameter of the wheel is given. So write diameter of wheel equal to 80 centimeter. Therefore, what is the radius of the wheel? 80 by 2, 40 centimeter. Next, what is given in the question? Time is given, 10 minutes. So write time t equal to 10 minutes. Then what else is given? Speed is given. So write speed equal to 66 km per hour. See, this is kilometer per hour. Since it is in hour, we'll convert this minute to hour because the speed is in hour. Okay. So we're going to convert this minute to hour. How to convert this minute to hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when we convert minute to hour, it will be 10 divided by 60. So 10 divided by 60 hours. 10 divided by 60 you can write as 1 by 6. 0, 0 you can cancel. It will be 1 by 6 hours. Okay. See, suppose this is the wheel of the car. Wheel will be in the form of a circle. So, when the wheel rotates one time, when the wheel makes one revolution, see like this, it means what? It is the circumference of the circle, right? This portion is the this length is what the circumference of the circle is. So, when it make one revolution, it means it is the circumference of the circle. So, you can write the distance covered by the wheel to complete one revolution will be what? Circumference is what? 2 pi r. So, write distance covered by the wheel to complete one revolution equal to circumference is what? 2 pi r. If you want, write in the bracket circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Give the value of r, radius. We got the radius here. See, radius is equal to 40 centimeter. So, substitute the value of radius here. 2 into pi into radius is 80. Okay. Sorry, radius is 40. 80 by 2, 40. So, 2 into pi into 40. That means 40 into 2 is what? 80. So, I can write it like 80 pi. Okay. We'll give the value of pi at last. Keep it like this. Now, 2 pi r is equal to 80 pi centimeter. 80 is in centimeter. So, we can write 80 pi centimeter. Now, we got the distance covered by the wheel to complete one revolution. Next one. See, what is the speed given in the question? Speed is equal to 66 kilometer per hour. See this, what do you mean by 66 kilometer per hour? It means in 1 hour, it will travel 66 kilometer, right? That's why 66 kilometer per hour. Distance covered in 1 hour is 66 kilometer, right? So, you can write distance covered in 1 hour. Per hour means in 1 hour is equal to what? 66 kilometer. That's why the speed is 66 kilometer per hour. Now, we need to convert this kilometer to centimeter. Why? Because the revolution here, the circumference, the distance here is in centimeter. We found the distance covered by the wheel to complete one revolution, 2 pi r. We calculated it in terms of centimeter. So, we need to convert this into centimeter. Okay. So, I'm going to convert kilometer to centimeter. How to convert kilometer to centimeter? 1 kilometer. See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now, we need to convert this kilometer to centimeter directly. How to convert kilometer to centimeter? Multiply by 1000 into 100. 1000 into 100 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1 lakh. Okay. So, multiply it with 10 raised to 5. 1 lakh you can write as 10 raised to 5. Right? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you can write 10 raised to 5. So, when you multiply it with 10 raised to 5, you can convert kilometer into centimeter. Okay. So, write converting kilometer to centimeter. Then write 66 kilometer is equal to 66 into 10 raised to 5. What? Centimeter. Now, we have converted kilometer to centimeter by multiplying it into 10 raised to 5. Why 10 raised to 5? Because 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So, to convert kilometer to centimeter directly, you need to consider this 1000 and also this 100. 1000 and 100 means 5 zeros. When you multiply, it will be 5 zeros. So 10 raised to 5. Multiply it with 10 raised to 5. Now we converted distance kilometer into centimeter. See, time is what? We'll go up. See, time is equal to 10 minutes, which is given in the question, and we converted this 10 minute into hours here. 1 by 6 hours, right? So, below this, we need to write, see, this is the distance covered in 1 hour. We don't want the distance covered in 1 hour. Instead, we want distance covered in 1 by 6 hour. 1 by 6 hour means 10 minutes. So, write next one. Distance covered in 1 by 6 hours. It is just 1 hour. This 66 into 10 raised to 5 is distance covered in 1 hour. Now we need to find distance covered in 1 by 6 hour. How to find? 66 into 10 raised to 5 into this one, 1 by 6. Multiply 1 by 6. See, you can cut this 6 and 66. 6 into 11 is 66. Now what is remaining? 11 into 10 raised to 5. See, we got distance covered in 1 by 6 hours as per the question. Now we'll see the formula to find the number of revolutions. So write number of revolutions equal to distance covered by the number of revolutions of the wheel equal to distance covered by the car divided by circumference of the wheel. This is an important formula. Number of revolutions is equal to distance covered by the car divided by circumference of the wheel. Now we'll substitute the values. See, distance covered by the car. What is the distance covered by the car? See, we have found it here. Distance covered by the car in 1 by 6 hours. 11 into 10 raised to 5. So, right? Which is equal to 11 into 10 raised to 5 centimeter divided by circumference of the wheel. What is the circumference of the wheel we found? Go up and see what is the circumference. See, circumference 80 pi centimeter. So, right? Divided by 80 pi centimeter. Now you can give the value of pi. 11 into 10 raised to 5 centimeter divided by 80 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. So this by 7 will go up. Why? Because I told you this is what, when you take this fraction to the other side, this will become the reciprocal, and here it will be into 7 by 27, sorry 22. 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. Anyways, the 7 will go up, right? So that's why the 7 will go up in the next step, and you can write 11 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 80 into 22. 7 went up. See, 11 into 10 raised to 5 into 7 divided by 80 into 22. Now simplify this. 11 2s are 22. Then what else? You can expand 10 raised to 5 now. 10 raised to 5 means 1 with 5 zeros, right? Into 7 divided by 80 into 2. See, you can cut 1 0 numerator and 1 0 on the denominator. And 10,000 into 7 is what? 70,000 divided by 8 into 2. See, 8 into 2, 16. So, you got 70,000 divided by 16. Do the division and you'll be getting the answer as 4,375 what? Revolutions. Unit is revolutions. This is the final answer. 70,000 divided by 16 is equal to 4,375 revolutions. So, we need to find the number of revolutions. So, to find this, we started with, see, actually this is the main formula to find the number of revolutions. Distance covered by the car by circumference of the wheel. So, to find the distance covered by the car, we started from Here, from the speed, what distance covered in 1 hour equal to 66 kilometer. After that, we converted that 66 kilometer into centimeter. Then we found distance covered in 1 by 6 hours. We multiplied it into 1 by 6. We got 11 into 10 raised to 5. So this is the answer. Now what is there? Divided by circumference of the wheel. So to find the circumference of the wheel, see here, distance covered by the wheel to complete one revolution is 2 pi r. We substituted the value of r here. So 2 pi into r, 40. 2 into 40, 80 pi centimeter. That's it. Then we substituted this 80 pi centimeter and 11 into 10 raised to 5 in this formula. Then we got 11 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 80 pi centimeter. And we have given the value of pi, 22 by 7. 7 went up. Then we finally solved this and we got the value of 70,000 divided by 16, which is equal to 4,375 revolutions. Okay, I'll show it from the first. See, this is the starting of the answer. Now question number 5. Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. So we need to equate perimeter of a circle formula and area of a circle formula. Fifth one. So right, as per the question, perimeter of a circle is equal to area of a circle. Then write the perimeter of a circle is what? 2 pi r equal to area of a circle is pi r square. Now you see, I am taking this pi r to the other side. So pi r is what? Multiplication. 2 into pi r. So when I take pi r to the other side, it will be division. So in the next step, it is 2 is equal to pi r square divided by pi r. See, pi we can cancel. R square and r. R square means what? R into r. 1 r you can cancel. What is remaining? Only 1 r. R is equal to 2. So you got r is equal to 2. 2, what is the unit? Unit is not given. So you can write 2 units. See the question? See, option A is the answer, 2 units. Okay, our next topic is segment and sector. So right, next side heading, sector and segment. Then write first one, sector. Okay, what do you mean by a sector? See, suppose this is a circle with center O with the radius touching the arc at A and B. This part is what you call as a sector. Okay, so this is, since this is a small part, this is the minor sector, and you can see here also this is the major sector. Okay, the small part AOB is the minor sector, and other than this big part is the major sector. So sector is of two types. First one is minor sector and second one is major sector. And now one more thing. Suppose here is an angle. Okay, if there is an angle between AOB, that angle is known as angle of sector. That means angle AOB you can write as angle of sector. So that angle is known as angle of sector. Now you see here, this is angle of minor sector. So what is the angle of major sector? Major sector is here. So what will be the angle of major sector? This angle, outside this. So if you know angle of minor sector, how will you find the angle of major sector? We know that the total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So to find the angle of major sector, you can subtract angle of minor sector from 360 degree. So below this you write angle of major sector is equal to 360 degree minus angle of minor sector. Reverse also you can find angle of minor sector is equal to 360 degree minus angle of major sector. If you know any of the angle, whether angle of minor sector or angle of major sector, you can find the other angle by subtracting it from 360 degree, since the angle of whole circle is what? 360 degree. So this is one formula to find the angle of the sector. Now another thing with sector is area of the sector. See, next one, note number 2, area of major sector is equal to, see, this is about the area. What is the total area of a circle? Pi r square. So to find the area of the minor sector, you need to subtract it from pi r square, since the area of the circle is pi r square. So area of major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. Okay. So the first one is about angle. Angle of circle is 360 degree. So that's why we are subtracting it from 360 degree. Here the second one is about the area. Area of a circle is pi r square. That's why we are subtracting it from the pi r square. So this is the second one. Okay. So angle of major sector is equal to 360 degree minus angle of minor sector. It can be the reverse also. Angle of minor sector is equal to 360 degree minus angle of major sector. Second one is, so area of the major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. Or you can write area of minor sector is equal to pi r square minus area of major sector. So this is all about the sector. So you can see from the first sector, this is what you call as the minor sector. This is what you call as the major sector. Okay. So angle, if there is any angle, you can call as angle of the sector. If it is on the minor sector, it will be angle of minor sector. If it is on the major sector, it will be angle of major sector. And after that, we learned two important formulas, angle of major sector and area of the sectors. Now coming to the segment. So write the second one, segment. We learned what is sector, now it is segment. Okay. So for segment also, you have minor segment and major segment. So we'll see what is a segment is. Suppose this is a circle with center O. From any part of the circle, if there is a line like this line is what you call as chord. I'm naming it as AB. So this is chord AB. And you can see some portion over here. So this portion is what you call as a segment. Segment is a area which is separated by a chord. Okay. So this is a small part. So this is the minor segment. And this big portion, see, this is what major segment is. Major segment. Okay. So segment is separated by what? A chord. Here chord is AB, chord AB. Minor segment and major segment. Now we'll write again one note on segment. How to find the area of a segment. So write area of major segment equal to area of pi r square minus area of minor segment. It's the same thing. Okay, only the sector is segment here. So you can find the area of minor segment also. Subtract it from pi r square. This is an important note on segment. So area of major segment is equal to area of pi r square minus area of minor segment. So this is all about the segment. Segment is separated by a chord. So there is minor segment and major segment. Area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment. After this, you have some important notes or important formula. Write down 2 notes or you write important formulas. First one, number 1 is how to find the area of a sector. Okay, formula, area of the sector of angle theta. So in the question, if they have given angle and also they are asking what is the area of this sector, you can find it by using this formula, theta by 360. Theta means what, which is the angle which is given in the question. Okay, so theta by 360 into, since this is the area, you can write into pi r square. Okay, so you can find the area of a sector of angle theta by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Why pi r square? Because it is the area. Note number 2 or the formula number 2. To find the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. See, come to the sector diagram. See, this is the minor sector here. This is the minor sector. So if in the question they are asking what is the length of this arc. Arc means this side. So what is the length of the arc of the sector? You can find it by using a formula. See here. Note number 2. Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta equal to, what is the formula? Again, theta by 360 into what? Since this is the length, we know how to find the length of a circle or an arc. Circumference 2 pi r. So it will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. If you study like this, see here it is area, so pi r square. Here it is length, so 2 pi r. You won't get confused between two formulas. So study like that. First one is area of the sector of an angle theta equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is two important formulas regarding the sector. Okay, so today we'll stop the class here. So we completed exercise 12.1 and also started with another topic, sector and segment. In the next class, we'll deal with example number 2, 3 and other exercises.